Hello and welcome, Elliot here. This is your elite compensation plan breakdown. I would definitely suggest maybe grabbing a pen and a pad and really understanding the compensation plan that you actually have access to right here. So I'm actually going to bring up the compensation plan. As you can see here, this is a binary compensation plan. All right, so that means two, you're building a left team and a right team. So when you see the numbers here and it has one number one side and a slash and then another number the other side, it's essentially the totals of the left team and the right team given here as a visual. So let's take a look at the comp plan. So you can see tier one, you can see total active enroller credits, two and one, meaning that you must have two personally enrolled active credits on the left team, for example, and then on the other leg, you must have one personally enrolled individual or enrolled credit. Okay, so that means two and one, and now you actually have activated the compensation plan. You can see that it says none under minimum enroller credits, meaning that what that is you must have, as you see, tier three, you must have two personally sponsored customer only credits. So that means they can't be a customer and an affiliate. They must be customer only when you get to, and they must just be included in your personally enrolled when you get to tier three. So as you can see, let's just draw out what it looks like to have two personally sponsored credits on your left team, for example, and then one on your right, and then that how that then progresses to the product credits, left team and right team, three and three on tier one. Essentially, three and three means now the total of the left team and the right team can be directly and then also indirectly. So as you see all the numbers and all the tiers as you go down on the product credits, these now are totals and a reflection of your overall team on the left team and the right team. It doesn't mean those that are personally sponsored only. These total active enroller credits on the left team and the right team, two and one, as you can see, and two and two, that's personal performance. So that's personally enrolled credits that you must have at each tier level. And then, as you can see, the product credits are a total of you directly and also your team as well. So what's known as indirectly. So let's just have a quick look here. The credit legend. The credit legend at the bottom means that platinum equals one credit. That's the platinum membership. Gold equals half a credit. Okay, half a credit on the legend, and then silver is 0.25 of a credit. So when it says two and one and three, they're total whole credits. Okay, so obviously when it comes to gold memberships, you're only going to receive half, a membership or half a credit for that membership when it comes to the total in the compensation plan. So obviously for every one platinum credit, it's going to take two gold credits and then four silver credits respectively. So let's just go back to the whiteboard and draw out what two on the left team, for example, and one on the right team personally looks like and how that progresses to three and three, as you can see on tier number one. Okay, so let's just go to the whiteboard over here. We're going to draw out a visual so it's really simple to understand. Okay, so I'm going to draw here. This is you, for example. And you've gone ahead and you have two personally enrolled credits on your left team and one personally enrolled credit on your right team. Let's say for this example that everybody's got started on the platinum membership, meaning they're one whole credit, per per circle there on the visual tree. So you have two total active credits on your left team, personally enrolled by you, and then one on the right team as well. So let's just now show what hitting, for example, the first rank, the first tier can look like, tier number one. So you can see, let's just say, for example, this one person on your right side, they actually go ahead and they bring in two people. So they put one person on their right team. Everyone's building a left team and a right team. They place one person on their right team and one person on their left team. And let's say, for example, that this individual here brings in one person and places them on their left team. Okay. So what that means is now you've actually gone ahead and hit tier number one. Why? Because you had two personally active credits on your left team that were personally rolled by you, one on the right side, and they've gone ahead now and started to go ahead and share the elite products and services, okay, and actually start having customers get started with them, okay. But guess what? You've now got three on your left team, three on your right team, you've now hit tier one because you've hit the personal of two personally enrolled on your on your left team in that example, and then one personally enrolled credit on your right team, and then you've actually gone ahead and benefited from the work that your or the total volume of the indirectly referred credits on each the left team and the right team as well, meaning you've gone ahead and hit tier number one, which is three credits left, three credits right. That is a total of directly and indirectly referred credits. Super straightforward. So let's just show what hitting tier number two can look like. Tier number two is six in the left team, six total credits in the left team, six total credits in the right team. And let's just take a look at how that looks. Okay. Remember, when it comes to tier number two, you only actually still need to have two active personal credits on the left team, which you've got, and then one personally active credit on the right team, which you've got. So what does that mean? It means now that, watch this. Okay. So let's just say now that another credit has been activated here. And this new individual is also building the business here. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so now these are all individuals I've added that were indirectly brought in by you. So you didn't actually bring these individuals in. It was a reflection of what your team went ahead and did. Well, guess what? Because of the fact that you have your personal two on the left, personal two on the personal one on the right, you've now hit six on this team. Right, let's just add one here and one here. And let's add another credit here. One, two, three, four, five, six. So on your left team, now you've also got six. Okay, make sure that we draw that on. And you've qualified for tier two because you have the personal enrolled credits two and one. And now the overall team performance in credits, which is, remember, indirectly in this case, were indirectly referred credits to your left team and right team. You've now hit tier number two because you have six and six. Okay, let me just give you this example as well. Let's just say, for example, your sponsor's name is David. Okay. And David placed you on the right leg, which means your whole team is on his right leg. And let's say, and this is the power of the binary compensation plan, because anybody that David now wants to place on his right team, because remember, you're here on his right team, they must be placed in the next available position, which is here. Meaning that you here and all these individuals down this right side, okay, are going to benefit from anything Ben, let's just say David brought in his own personal lead. Let's say these individuals are a leader that they refer a lot, they refer, let's say 100 credits from their team. You're going to benefit from all of those 100 credits on your right team because they've been placed on David's outside right. So the real power in the binary compensation plan is timing and positioning because those 100 credits now are added to your business, your right team, meaning we're going to focus on building out your left team. Okay, which is the power of timing and positioning, but also the real notion of earning income off of 1% of 100 people's efforts rather than just 100% of your own effort. So let's just go back to the compensation plan now. Okay, let's go back to the compensation plan. So you can really see down here the two and one, all the way to a tier three. You can have just two active personal, enroll credits in your left team or your right team, and then one on the other side. And you're qualifying then for a total of the product credits. So you can have 15 and 15, and the majority of that can be from a reflection of indirectly referred customer credits, product credits to ELYT. Super, 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 super powerful. I do want to remind you the minimum enroller credits here mean customer only. You must have a minimum when you get to tier three, you must have a minimum of two active customer only credits, meaning they can't be on the bundle plan or with an affiliate plan. It must be customer only. Okay, so I wanted to give a real clear overview of what's possible with the ELYT compensation plan, and really how the binary compensation plan, it can be really because of those that join after you must go in the next available position on the right team or left team. It really means that you can put yourself in a great position to really benefit from everything that happens, whether it be from your personal sponsor or even further up the lineage. You can really benefit from what they go ahead and do and people they place, because it's a first come, first serve compensation plan. So I hope this has brought value. I really do. It's super straightforward. You're building a left team and a right team. In my personal, what I really see here is from you personally going ahead and really actively helping a few people. As you can see, tier six, three active personal enroller credits in your left team, three active personal enroller credits in your right team, and the rest of those 200 total credits on the left team, 200 total credits on the right team. You're really starting to get to some phenomenal results, and a lot of those credits can be built off of indirectly referred product credits to ELYT. Okay. Super exciting. Absolutely love this compensation plan, binary compensation plan, super aggressive, super simple to understand. And I just want to say, take this down, really, teach it to your teams, make sure they understand, what it is they need to hit from a personal perspective and what can be built up from the whole, product credits on your left team and right team as well. Thank you guys. Cheers.